How does the circulatory system help maintain homeostasis? But before that, what is homeostasis? Homeostasis is the body's way of regulating and keeping things in check. In the circulatory system, homeostasis has a huge part in regulating blood flow, supplying nutrients and oxygen, transports hormones, and removes unnecessary waste from the body. Homeostasis is important for us to be able to carry on with our daily activities because without it, we won't have the blood needed to function. An example of these are the following. In human blood pressure, when blood pressure increases, signals are sent to the brain from the blood vessels. Then, signals are sent to the heart from the brain, and heart rate slows down, thus helping blood pressure return to normal. Production of human red blood cells, also known as erythropoiesis. A decrease in oxygen is detected by the kidneys and they secrete erythropoietin, which stimulates erythropoiesis in the bone marrow, which will increase the production of red blood cells. The oxygen carrying capacity of the blood will increase, restoring normal blood oxygen levels. In body temperature regulation, if blood temperature rises too high, this is sensed by specialized neurons in the hypothalamus of the brain. They signal other nerve centers, which in turn send signals to the blood vessels of the skin. As the blood vessels dilate, more blood flows close to the body's surface, and excess heat radiates from the body. If this is not enough to cool the body back to its set point, the brain activates sweating. On the other hand, if the blood temperature falls too low, this is also sensed by the hypothalamus and signals are sent to the cutaneous arteries to constrict them. Warm blood is then retained deeper in the body and less heat is lost from the surface. If this is inadequate, then the brain activates shivering. A small tear in a blood vessel wall that causes bleeding. An example of this is a cut on the skin or an internal injury. To control blood loss, the blood vessel constricts, thus limiting blood flow through the vessel. In response to the injury, tiny cells in the blood called platelets are activated. The platelets stick to one another and to the wound site to form a plug. The protein von Willebrand factor helps the platelets stick to each other and to the blood vessel wall.